Hi guys, it's Derek again, and today I'm going to talk about how to diagnose and fix a brake clamp failure on a 1999 Lexus RX 300. First, you need to classify your problem. If only one light bulb is not working, you should probably just go and replace that light bulb. But if all of them are not working, you should go and check 3 places in your car. First, you should check your fuse box, your brake pedal switch, and your brake light module. Let's go check the fuse box. Your fuse box is located underneath this compartment, and here at the label, one of them, as you can see, says stop, and in here is your fuse box. You test it with any ordinary light tester, and you can go around and test each fuse to make sure they're working. If not, one of them is not working, you should go and replace it immediately. If your fuses are all good, you're going to have to come and locate your brake light module. Your brake light module is located back rear quarter panel of your driver's side, inside the trunk, right behind the gas flap. To find it, it's right behind this plastic piece. You have to remove this handle with 2 Phillips screws and use little pry bar to take it off. And it's located right behind here. And this little plastic gray clip right next to this drainage hose. To take it off, you just go back, wiggle it out, and there it is. There's your wires just to disconnect that, and we're going to take it out and inspect it. This is the lamp failure module. It's usually gray and blue. Inside here is a circuit board. So how to take it off is by removing this blue cover, by prying gently the 4 corners. Here's the circuit board. What you'll be looking for is any discolorations or burns or maybe hairline cracks to indicate that something's gone wrong. On this particular one, we realized that there was a hairline crack on pin number 1. We solved it by using a soldering gun, heated it up, and everything works well. Thank you for watching.